How? I make scripts for my YouTube channel. After a long search on YouTube, I finally figured out what my channel would be about, but I don't know how to create the video script. I don't even know where to start or where to get information from, and whether it will be correct or wrong. And it might take me days just to create a script for one video. But what if I told you that you can write scripts for your YouTube videos without spending hours or days researching, writing, and editing? What if I told you that a tool can help you create natural and engaging scripts for any type of video in minutes? That tool is Bing from Microsoft, and it's totally free. And guess what? It's using ChatGPT 4. The old ChatGPT 3.5 is not used, and in this video I will show you how to use it to generate scripts for your YouTube video. Bing Microsoft is a powerful and innovative tool that uses AI to create scripts based on your prompts, templates, and modes. Whether you want to make a tutorial, a review, an interview, or anything else, Bing Microsoft can help you write amazing scripts in minutes. So, if you want to learn how to use Bing Microsoft to generate scripts for your YouTube video, watch this video until the end. Let's get started. We need to download Microsoft Bing first. We write download Microsoft Bing and download it. We open the Microsoft browser and type Bing AI in the address bar. Then we click on Chat on the top left. This way we access Bing, which is connected to ChatGPT 4 without paying any money and completely free, with no limitations. Pay attention to this part because after this video, you will be able to create any script for any niche you are working on. It will provide you with all the necessary and updated information, as well as all the sources you need if you want. Don't forget to subscribe because the upcoming videos are important for you and your new channel. First, we need to understand the difference between creative, balanced, precise. Creative mode. This mode makes ChatGPT more imaginative and original. It generates colorful, expressive, and entertaining scripts. Balanced mode. This is the default mode used by ChatGPT. It generates natural, coherent, and informative scripts. Precise mode. This mode makes ChatGPT more accurate and factual. It generates concise, clear, and reliable scripts. As YouTubers, we will use creative mode to avoid sounding too scientific or purely artificial intelligence. Choosing creative mode will make you feel like you're talking to someone like you, but with all the information you need. I will tell you how to create a powerful script using it. The information I will provide in the upcoming video applies to all niches in terms of script creation. I will leave the file in the first comment. We need to know how to give it the right instructions and make it understandable. This involves 4 stages. The ideas stage. If you don't have any ideas for the niche you are talking about, you can write in the chat, give me 10 title ideas for a video about your chosen topic. For example, give me 10 title ideas for a video about wealth niche. This will give you 10 ideas to talk about in your videos. You can request more if you want, but it's better to stick to 10 ideas to avoid getting overwhelmed. The chapters stage. This stage involves listing the important chapters or points that you want to discuss in your video. You can write in the search bar, give me an outline of chapters and don't include examples for a YouTube video called your chosen title. For example, give me an outline of chapters and don't include examples for a YouTube video called Wealth Secrets of the Rich, how they think, invest, and spend their money. This will provide you with the chapters or points to talk about. Read them carefully and see if the result is suitable or not. The hook stage. The hook is crucial as it keeps the viewers engaged until the end of the video. The first 3 seconds should be attention grabbing and not just regular talk. You can write in the search bar, give me a great hook for this YouTube video. And in this hook, briefly talk about your chosen title. For example, give me a great hook for this YouTube video, and in this hook, briefly talk about wealth secrets of the rich, how they think, invest, and spend their money. Start with an attention-grabbing fact about the title, and mention that you will explore the key phases and events, wealth secrets of the rich, how they think, invest, and spend their money. The final script stage. For the final script, you can write, for YouTube channel, give me 1,000 to 1,500 words for a video script talking about Chapter 1. 1. Speak briefly and discover puzzles. 2. Use relatable language and avoid jargon. 3. Make sure that include and talk in detail. A.1. B.2. After that, give me a smooth transition between this chapter and the next chapter, with no end goes directly to the next chapter. Example. For YouTube channel, give me 1,000 to 1,500 words for a video script talking about how the rich think. 1. Speak briefly and discover puzzles. 2. Use relatable language and avoid jargon. 3. Make sure to include and talk in detail. A. Explain how they overcome limiting beliefs, embrace challenges, and seek opportunities. B. Discuss the mindset and attitude of the rich towards money, success, and wealth. After that, give me a smooth transition between this chapter and the next chapter, with no end that goes directly to the next chapter. How the rich invest. Bing will provide you with all the information you need in a modern and good way. Here, it will stop writing, so you can solve this issue. Write continue to proceed. And here, we will gather all the information we have collected in Word or Sheet. First, we put the hook that we came up with, but make sure you have read it well. Then we put the script, but we search carefully for the beginning because we have a hook, so we can't repeat the words. We need to get straight into the video topic. Follow these steps exactly as I showed you, and I assure you that you will create a very powerful and effective script for any niche you are working on or working with. I will leave you the file in the first comment. If you benefited from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what we should talk about in the next video. See you in the upcoming video. Goodbye.